बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रबी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तमिम बिल खैर रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा अस्सलामु अलैकुम. Hope you all are good. This is the mathematics book D3 and that is the updated 7 edition, and today we will do exercise 10A, and we do today questions of advanced level, and these questions are about congruency. Now let's start, students. Now, students, question number 7. In each diagram, identify a pair of congruent triangle and prove that they are congruent. And now, students, part number A, you can observe that we have to also find a pair of a congruent triangle. Identify pair of a congruent triangle, and that triangle ADC is equal to triangle CDB. You can say that the lines are parallel to each other. Suppose you can visualize it that we place that triangle on that triangle, then B is common D, and A is common C, and C on A, and that's why we start it and we write it like that. uh, A is congruent to C, B is congruent to D, B is equivalent to D, and C is equivalent to A. And we can see that the both are parallel that are given to us, and that means that AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to line AD is equal to line BC, and that is given to us. And you see that the AC is common to CA, that is a common line, and the angle, that is a straight lines, and that is cut, and this means that angle is equal to that angle, and these are alternate angles. Now we can write there angle DCA is equal to angle CAB because they are alternate angles. Therefore, the triangle ADC is congruent to triangle ABC, and because of which test? Side, angle, side. And now, students, the part number A is solved. Now, students, part number B. Part number B, you can see that the triangle, first we have to identify the triangle, that is GEHJG and GEF, that both triangles are equal to each other, and the side are given to each other. EH and EFG are equal, and that angle E is equal to angle F. Both are 90 degrees. You can visualize it by placing the triangle on that side, on this triangle. E is equivalent to uh, G, and F is equivalent to H, and G is equivalent to E, and EH is equal to FG, and that is given to us. And now EG, GE, EG, that is a common side, and angle F is equal to angle H, and both are equal to 90 degree, and therefore the triangle EFG is congruent to triangle FEG. And which test is applied on it? That the test right angle, hypotenuse, and side test. That is the right angle, this is hypotenuse, and side. These are equal to each other. Both triangles are congruent to each other. Now, students, part number B is solved. Now, students, in part number C, the triangle, first we have to identify the triangle that ILNK, and other triangle is IJNK. You see that that these are the triangles. Now we have to visualize by placing the triangle on that triangle. that L is equivalent to J and I is equivalent to K and K is equivalent to I. And that side is IL is given to us, that is equal to line JK that is given, and that line IJ is also given to us, that is equal to LK, and IK is equal to line IK, that is common side. And now we prove that the triangle ILK is congruent to triangle IJNK, that the both triangle are congruent, and which test is applied on it? Side. And now students, this is the part number C. Now it's solved. Now students, part number D. In part number D, you can observe that M is equivalent to O, and P is N, and O is equivalent to M. And now we have to see that the OM is equal to MO. This is the common side. And angle P is equal to angle N. This is 90-degree angle. Now students, you can observe that the O, that angle and that angle, these angles are alternate angles. So we can write there angle POM is equal to angle NMO, and these are angles are alternate angles. Now students, the triangles are equal to each other. The triangle are congruent to each other. Which triangles? MPO is congruent to triangle MNO. And which test is applied on it? Angle side. Two angles and one side is equal, and this we proved in this congruency test. And now the both triangle are congruent to each other. So in part number E, you can observe Q is equivalent to S and R is equivalent to T and T is equivalent to R. And so we can see that QS is equal to QS. These are the common in both triangles. And you can see that the angle, that angle is equal to that angle. These are the alternate angles, and this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. So we can write it angle QST, that angle QST, this angle is equal to SQR, this angle, and that is alternate angles. Now we can see that the angle TQS is equal to RSQ. And when we place the triangle, if you visualize, when you place the triangle QTS in the triangle QRS, these angles are equal to each other. They come on each other. This is also the alternate angle, and these are equal to each other. That's why the triangle QTS is congruent to triangle QRNS. The both triangle congruent, and which test is applied on it? The because of the angle side test. And now students, the part number E is solved. Now students, in part number F, you can see that the U is equivalent to W and V is equivalent to X and W is U. And now we can see that the given to us UX is equal to VW, and that is given, and line xw is equal to uv. This is also given to us, and that side uw is equal to wu, that is common side, and therefore the triangle uwx is congruent to triangle uvw. And because of the test side side side, and because of that test side side and side, that triangles are equal to each other. Now students, question number 8, the diagram show a parallel. Now students, question number 8, the diagram show a parallelogram ABCD. Use three different ways to prove the triangle ABC and triangle CDA are congruent. You have to prove that the both triangles are equal to each other by three different ways. And you can observe that the A is equivalent to C, and B is D, and C is A. And BC is equal to AB is equal to DC, and BC is equal to AD, and that is the common side. AC is equal to AC. This is the common, and hence proof the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. The both triangle are congruent because of side side side. That is the one way. Now the other way, we can see that the angle that the angle, this angle is equal to this angle because they are alternate angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. These are alternate angle. Now we have to prove by the way angle, angle and side. Angle DCA, angle DCA and is equal to angle CA and B. This angle is equal to this angle, and this is alternate angle. And now the angle BDAC is equal to angle ACB because of alternate angle, and AC is equal to CA. This is the common, and hence prove the triangle ABC is equal to triangle CDA. And which test is applied on it? The test angle, angle, side. That is the second way. And this is the third way. In third way, we can write that the triangle BC, line BC is equal to line AD, that both lines are equal, and CA is equal to AC, that is common, and that one angle is alternate angle. And BAC, this angle is equal to DCA because these are alternate angle, and hence we prove it. The triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA because of side, angle, side congruency test. And now students, the question number 8 is also solved. We have to prove it by three different ways. And now students, these are the questions of advanced level. Now this exercise is finished, and I hope you understand these questions very well. Thank you very much students for watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.